Welcome to my Excel VBA Macro Expert channel. This program is a summary of. It will give you the monthly summary if you have some transaction on particular dates, and you can extend this years also. And this is a month, this is years, so it will give you the monthly summary, and this is yearly summary. So if I add like one more entry for, let's say, February 2nd, February of 2019, and I just put 200. So you can see here 200. Here also it is vertical and this is horizontal view. So you can extend this like to 2020, 2021 like this, and it will give you the sum of the monthly summary, and this is the transaction on the particular dates. You can make it here, and this will automatically calculate the monthly sum. Hope you like this small program. Thank you for watching my channel.